northern India.
The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Beltrami County, northeastern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota until 5:30 a.m. At 4:24 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Leonard, or 19 miles northwest of Bemidji, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bemidji, Redby, Blackjock, Red Lake, Wilton, 10 Strike, and Shevlin. This replaces the previous warning for the area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.